Hey, it's Brian with JMP Cycles, and with me I have the Klim Induction Glove. Now this is a hybrid leather and textile glove, and it is a goat leather. So goat leather is very supple and very soft to the touch, and it also has this textile mesh on the top. So this is a great option for those summer riding months. Some of the features that these gloves include, first are the clip that holds these together. It's kind of a nice feature to have. That way if you're taking your gloves off, you can at least snap them together. That way you never lose them. Easy snap on and snap off. Another quick note is you have this pull tab here too, so it is easy to pull these gloves on and off. Now there are two ways to adjust these gloves, and the first being with this Velcro wrist strap, but really we're gonna unzip this glove to put it on and off. So it's a really quick feature that's very nice. So it is easy to use with the gloved hand and for quick access on and off. One of the first things I noticed about this glove when I put it on is it has those external stitches on it. Now they get this from more of the racing style gloves, and it's meant for the rider comfort. So you don't have the stitches on the inside kind of pinching you or poking at your fingers. This is a very comfortable and very soft glove because of the outside stitching and because of that goat leather palm. Now all this goat leather in here is perforated as well, and they even have little reinforced areas on the impact zones as well. So any of those high wear areas or areas that would touch the ground first in the event of a fall, those are they have increased durability. You also have that extra padding as well on that lower palm area. Flipping the glove over, you'll see that perforation continues on the fingers, and you also have padding as well that run along all the fingers on the knuckles. Knuckle protection is important. On all these you have carbon fiber knuckles. So again, these are really important to have, and they are molded to go around your knuckles for a supreme fit and comfort. Up here as well, you have not only a reflective strip, but you have that accordion stretch panel. So these are very comfortable and they move along with you. And then to top it off, you have that mesh material up top here, allowing extra airflow through. If you like these, they are available at jmpcycles.com. Make sure to check your size chart before you order to ensure you get the right fit the first time you buy. If you'd like to see more videos where we do product installs or gear reviews, hit us up on social media, subscribe to us on YouTube, and together we'll help you find what's next.